Bdellium Tools, 999 Master Blender, 1 brush. Product Overview Description: Create a smooth and poreless finish. The ergonomic square base provides the perfect grip. Super soft synthetic fibers. The 999 Master Blender Foundation Brush has a dense yet super soft synthetic bristle that creates flawless, airbrushed texture on the face. The ergonomic square base provides the perfect grip. The short-handled brush allows for a more controlled application. Create a smooth and poreless finish. The ergonomic square base provides the perfect grip. Super soft synthetic fibers. Brush name, 999 Master Blender, is written on the handle. Length, 2.4 inches, 6.0 centimeters. Suggested use. Care tip: wash bristles with Bdellium Tools Brush Cleanser as needed, rinse and squeeze out excess water, lay brush flat to air dry. Other ingredients: synthetic fibers, plastic handle.